Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. Today we'll learn how to create Mickey and Minnie Mouse masks. You can use them to dress up as these characters or even use them as decoration. To create them, we'll mainly use black, light orange and red foam. If you want to make the Minnie mask, you will also need white and pink foam. We are going to download and print the templates, so you have the link in the description and in the comments. There you can choose between the standard size or child size for your mask. I recommend you print parts 1 and 2 on paper cardboard so that the ears remain rigid. If you want to make Mickey's mask, it's not necessary to print the last page. We will start cutting out all the pieces that we have in the templates. We'll cut on continuous line to get the pieces. For these pieces, we'll use black foam. If you use a sheet of foam like this, you can glue each piece on foam in this way. In my case here, I have a larger sheet. So first I will join these two pieces, forming a single one. And then I will add glue to the whole piece to stick it on foam. We'll let it dry for a few minutes and then cut out the figure. When finished, that's how it would look. The next thing will be to add glue on piece 4 and join it with piece 3. It is not necessary to glue the following pieces to the foam, as it can make the mask a bit heavy. To be able to cut them, we'll use adhesive tape and add on the edges to join it to the foam. Before cutting out the figure of this piece, it's important to cut out the part of the eyes. We'll carefully pass the tip of the scissors and begin to cut in circles until we finish creating the eyes. We'll do this same process in both. When finished, we'll cut the piece. We will use black foam for pieces 5 and 6, red foam for small piece number 7, pink foam for piece 8, and white foam for the circles. We already have the pieces ready to assemble, so we'll put glue on the ears piece and add this part as centered as possible. Then we'll add piece 5 in this way. Piece 6 is the mouth and it goes in the lower part of the mask. And piece 7 is the tongue, so we'll glue it on top of the previous piece. Now with a marker, we'll add some details. Under the eyes, we'll add a line like this to highlight the nose. Also a couple of details on the chin. And finally, we'll make Mickey smile even more by lengthening the smile a little more. This part is totally optional. I'm going to add 2 little squares of chiffon fabric on the eyes to make them look black. So I'm going to glue the edges and add them to the mask. At this point, we already have the Mickey Mouse mask ready, and we would only be a couple more steps away from making the Minnie mask. We'll use these last pieces to create her characteristic bow, so we'll put glue on the circles and glue them randomly on the piece. Also, we'll add some outside of the piece edge, and then we just trim the excess. And that's how it would look. If you want, you can leave it like that. I'm going to add a few details to it. Once we have the bow ready, we'll just add glue and add it to the mask. As a final detail, we'll draw Minnie's eyelashes. Since we are making masks, we are going to need 2 wool threads of approximately 30 centimeters. We'll make 2 holes on both sides of the masks with the tip of the scissors. And when finished, add a thread on each side. To finish, we'll tie a knot in both. And now we have our Mickey and Minnie masks ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Momuscraft. Thank you very much for watching the video.